My country people are always salute. Now they welcome for football in Pidgin. After match talk am how you see am. The World Cup final, you don't come, you don't go. We don't see how these two Ogbonge teams will play for this final. They show workings. But we there with Oga Joseph, we be like saying that Ogbonge person, Ogbonge football fan. Oga Joseph, now how you see the performance for today, man?
The match, banger, like banger soup.
Be like
You know
banger
the matter. See, when I first see the match, they go on. I say, man, thank God, say Messi don't carry on. But finally, when I come to say 2-2. Body pepper me, I don't lie you, but finally, I come see 3-2. Body call they sweet me. All of a sudden, they blow penalty. I say, no, they're not supposed to blow penalty. Somebody else to wait face, but thank God, Sha. After everything, penalty go, two people miss, Messi score, everybody score. So thank God, say the thing now Messi side the enter. Beyond say now he now be the GOAT now for the present now. Presently now he be the GOAT, number one in the whole world. So now everybody dey sweet me. If you see me that is sweat, so body dey sweet me well, very sweet me like sugar.
So Oga Joseph now, this one where Messi don't win this World Cup. We know say every time that they already talk about Messi and Cristiano Ronaldo. You think say any debate still there between Cristiano Ronaldo and Messi, who sabi pass?
Even Ronaldo fan not fit debate now. They know now if they can't accountable, they go run. Because with all their performance when Messi perform for the World Cup and everything, you see all the goals when he score, you see all the assists when he make. Man, the guy now banger, like seriously. He deserve another world best like this. So me, if it's time say who they want me to give out to now Messi, make out for the 8th time, me will say yes, he na really the greatest of all time. Based on say him don't carry World Cup.
Talk about this World Cup because to me, I'm a football fan too. I follow the World Cup from start to the end. What do you get to talk about the World Cup? You think say this one are one of the best World Cup where you don't see?
So many things to talk about the World Cup. Even Morocco surprised me for the World Cup now. I not expect Morocco go reach where they reach, but unfortunately, see them they play third place. And now Messi, whenever we carry him for over how many years, at least here now he carry him. And Mbappe, I don't say talk like your France play football. France they try at least from the starting of the match and everything. When they start the competition, you see the way they play now. They knock people come out, play well, but unfortunately, you won't go Messi way. Now you see Messi carry, and that's so it just be. So all the teams there, I would say they play well, Sha. I not lie you, they play well. But kudos to Argentina and kudos to Messi. But I'm saying I'm my man. You understand?
All right. Before I let you go now, who be the best player for this World Cup?
Best player, you know now. Now Messi now. Sure. Now Messi. Mbappe try you. But I'm saying I will give the golden ball, Sha. But the best player, now Messi carry on.
All right, now, God Joseph, thank you for your time. My country people, now lawyer boy, of course, we dey lawyer like lawyer me. I say make I thank una as you take watch this our content. But make you don't forget to show us love. Press that subscribe button, like our content, and make you share it with your friends and family. And also, the way you go take follow us for the different social media platforms, they for the description for inside this video.